In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change your Instagram birth date. Changing your birthday on Instagram is important primarily for privacy and security reasons, as it helps safeguard personal information from potential misuse. Updating your birthday can influence the type of targeted advertising you receive and ensure that the content and features presented to you are more relevant. Simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines. You will have to tap on this first option of Account Center. On this page, select the option of Personal Details. Tap on Date of Birth, then click on the Edit button and select your preferred date of birth. You will then click on Save and it will automatically get changed. That's how easy it is to change your date of birth on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.